today's video, we'll be reviewing the Polaroid wireless LED globe speaker. Sorry, that it took so long to get that out. This speaker is really great. It's another must-get, like in my Apple AirPods 1 Originals review. You guys must get this. This is really nice. Just got it at Family Dollar, and you know how like a lot of Family Dollar products are like broken stuff. Well, I've had like recent luck there, and I got this like last summer, but I've had like a lot of recent luck with getting like technology products there, such as Bluetooth speakers, headphones, and stuff, and they actually work. The box was a little scratched up, but it worked fine. It worked great, but it looked like it might have been returned. But this is great. It cost me maybe 20 bucks, maybe 10, 15, right around in that range, anywhere from there. But it's a real nice speaker. It's LED, it lights up. You got different light options that I'm going to show you. I'm also going to show you, like I did with my Apple AirPods review, which if you did not, go check that out. Go check that out in the link in my last video on my channel. This is the charger that comes with it. And so I'm going to show you how to charge it. All I do is hook it up to my computer, and I'll show you the process for that. It's just a USB, basically. The same type of scenario with my Apple AirPods charger thing. But this is the manual it'll come with, Polaroid, and there's a lot of good Polaroid products out there. But this is one to remember. This is a good one. It'll tell you the time, and I'll show you how you can play songs and etc. I really love this product. It's great. Really recommend getting it. Lights up, or you have the option of not lighting it up. Like let's say it's a pool day outside and you're keeping it under umbrella away from water, and you're just it's sunny, real sunny out. You don't really want lights or anything, and it works like that too. You can listen to radio stations, Spotify. I like Spotify and Apple Music. If I were to pay for something, that would be my two picks. But you can really do anything. If you're a Pandora fan too, you can put your Pandora radio station on and blast up your speaker here. But anyway, I'm going to show you how to charge it and how to connect it to your phone and such. So alright guys, so I'm here, and I apologize if you guys see my mess. My bed to the right's a little bit messy over there, so I'm going to try to get that out of the camera so you guys don't have to see my mess of a room. So there's the Polaroid. Real nice. You got some features in the back here, and you can't really see what that all says. But the most left slot is a charger, which I will show you here in a minute. You got this, which I'm not really sure, like this like circle-y thing kind of type of thing, and then you got on or off. Maybe if I put in the light, and I'm sorry guys for my mess if you guys do see it. It's an aux cord that you can put in there. I'm not really sure what that is. I've heard of that, but I forget what it does. So if you guys can remind me in the comments, that'd be great. And some reason my YouTube comments are disabled, so if you guys can also help me figure all that out, please leave a comment how to fix that. Alright, so to turn it on, we're going to start off with getting, and I'm sorry, I'm going to set this down for a minute, and then we're just going to put the switch to the left, and as you can see, sorry if that's a little bright, we have it lit up. And I'm going to show you, and my room's kind of messy, that it's lit up. And even if I turn off my light, now it looks really cool. So this would be great for like a disco night, you know what I mean, guys? Alright, so anyway, enough with that. So when we're talking about the options of lighting, so obviously that's the wrong time, and I'll have to fix that for where I live. So, sorry if this is bright, guys. Okay. You're going to want to hit the button, the most right button, which is like the fourth button, you could say. And then you could have still light, or no, not still light, but it changes the options. Or see, there's how you have no light. So that's like more of a pool day. But you have that kind of light, like which I believe I just had, which is LED 1. LED 2. And then you have LED 3, which is kind of neat. I kind of like that one. But I think I just keep it on. Oh, you have LED 4. And then you have off. So I'm just going to set, well, hold on, I'm going to set what it was, which I believe that's what it was. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Alright guys, so I turned the light off so it won't be so bright. And it's so hard because I want to do this on my bed. Here we go, that's good lighting. So the way we're going to pair this up is all we're going to do is hold this first button that has the play and pause button for just a minute of seconds here. Let me get my phone on. And then you will see it says Bluetooth and that little da-da-da sound. And then when it connects, it'll have that sound. So just to prove that it connects, and I know I got a lot of copyright on this, like stuff, like you play anything, like, and you can turn it up on your phone too. And there's your music. Now I might cut that part out, but that's just to prove that you can. You can turn this on as well. Hold on, let me see here, guys. And then you got, and then it actually matches up. The lights actually match up with the song, which is The Kill by 30 Seconds to Mars. I really like that song. I like rock and rap. That's kind of, but anything like that. I'm gonna hit pause on this, but it'll just go to the beat of the song, and so that's really cool as well. Alright, so to charge it, the charging is done on the back as well. So, sorry if my desk is a mess, guys. So, we need to just put it in the most upper left slot, if you guys can see that. So, I'm going to put the camera down for a minute and then do that. So, when done successfully, you will have this red light on the side of it. Or actually, it's on the back, right next to our thing. I don't know why I said side, I'm an idiot. But once you hook your USB into there, then you have your charging. I don't think you have to have your computer on, but if it doesn't work, then you might have to have your computer on. I'm not sure about that. But anyway, that's basically how you charge it. And so yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the review. If you did, leave a comment, like, share on Facebook, share on Twitter, all that good stuff. Let's keep rising up the subscribers, and let's keep reaching them milestones as we go, guys, okay? So, you know, like 50 subscribers to 100 subscribers, and 150, 100, you know, 1,000, and so on and so forth. But let's try to reach that goal. Let's keep jumping the milestones, getting the views, getting the subscribers. Can't thank you guys enough for the support I have got. And so yeah, anyway guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.